Hello, how you doing? So today I'm going to be making this beautiful and really simple mushroom broccoli pasta with tomatoes, garlic and cream. Really easy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so this is super easy and delicious. So we've got here 250 grams of mushrooms. I've cut them quite chunky, most of them just in half. I've got roughly equal amounts there of, in volume that is, of broccoli. Pasta, now the pasta, you can use any pasta you want. I'm using this whole wheat fusilli. Get it cooked. I've got about 3 cups of pasta there. But yeah, any pasta you like. You can use penne, fusilli, farfalle, tagliatelle, spaghetti, up to you. 250 ml of cream. Now I'm using a thick cream. You can use thick or thin cream. It works out the same. You always give me loads of messages and emails about it. It doesn't matter. Thick or thin, it's going to work out exactly the same. Equal amounts of tomatoes. Now those tomatoes I've got there from a can, but they're cherry tomatoes in a can. If you can't find them, no problem. You can use regular tomatoes. 2 teaspoons of oregano, 1 cup of sliced onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic. That's about it. Let's get moving. Okay, so you're going to need a saucepan or a large frying pan. I've got this wok on the go here. I've got some olive oil in there. In goes the onion. Now we're on a medium heat or just slightly above a medium heat. And then in goes the garlic. Keep it moving. I'll see you in 2 minutes. So just a couple of minutes. We're now going to drop in our broccoli. And again, quite chunky cut. And again, I want you to go for 2 more minutes on this above medium heat. Beautiful. Next up, we're going to add in our mushrooms. Again, I've cut these quite chunky. Like I say, they're pretty much just in half, most of them. Black pepper, salt. We can drop in now that 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, or if you want something else, like you can get one of those kind of mixed Italian spices, can't you? That works as well. Okay, 3 or 4 minutes now. Keep it moving. Really fabulous, nice and easy this one. Okay, those tomatoes. Like I say, I've got these cherry tomatoes, but you could just use a regular can of tomatoes. 4 minutes. Again, keep it moving. We're nearly done. Fabulous. Okay, and then we're now going to add the cream. Like I said, I'm using the thick cream, thin creams, exactly the same. Going to work out exactly the same. So, equal parts of cream to the tomatoes. If you wanted, you could drop some Parmesan cheese in here. Maybe a few olives or something like that could work nicely. I'm keeping it nice and straight. I also like my broccoli a little bit crunchy. You might want to cook it a little bit more. I'm happy to have a nice bite on that. Okay, pasta time. Get your cooked pasta. In it goes. 3 minutes. Keep it moving. Let's get this pasta hot because it's actually cooked and cold now. Stirring away. You've done it. Beautiful. Steaming hot straight from the pan there. Really easy. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe and keep well, and I'll see you really soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. I really do appreciate it. We're going great guns. We've got over 100 million views as I speak, over 500,000 subscribers. I mean, we've been going for some years now, but yeah, we're doing great. We're just banging away. Just moved house, so you're going to see a bit of a different kitchen very soon in the next videos, if not already. This might be on the end of one of the new ones. I'm sitting in a completely empty house right now, apart from this table and a couple of bits, because we've been so busy doing that. Enjoying ourselves, kids are fine, and yeah, enjoying life as much as we can. Now, if you do want to support the channel, and I really would like you to if you want, there's a link below for a PayPal account. Stick in $1,000 for me, will you? Every week, without fail. No, seriously, if you want to donate any money, even like $2, $3 or something like that, it really does help us out. We don't endorse any products. I don't sort of take sponsorship from anyone. Basically, because I don't think most of it's any good, to be honest. Not that I'm sort of not a capitalist, but yeah, if you want to donate, that'd be brilliant. Check out Rahel's channel, which is Ethiopian food that she does. She's doing great with that. All in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia. Might be a bit difficult for you to watch. Chef June is obviously banging stuff out on the channel here, doing some fantastic Filipino stuff. He's also got his own channel. Again, the link's down below for that. That's it. Doing well, enjoying life. Hope you're enjoying life as well. Again, thank you so much for checking out our channel. See you later.